I commit to continue advocating for meaningful participation of adolescents and young people with disabilities in the decision-making processes in all sectors in Timor-Leste.
I commit to involve people with disabilities in all the program and planning design.
I commit to support to deliver essential health services to every individual with disability at their doorstep.
I commit to ensure that all children with disabilities have access to routine immunization services.
I commit to advocate to all parents so that they can send their children with disability to preschool.
I commit to disability inclusive budgets in all our program areas. It means that we will not leave any child with disabilities behind.
I commit to ensure the participation of the organizations of people with disabilities in planning climate resilience WASH policies and also the services.
I commit to disability inclusion in education for empowerment.
I commit to advocate that people with disability are well educated.
I commit to more child protection services to children with disabilities.
Happy International Day for the persons with disability.
Happy International Day of Persons with Disabilities.
I commit to advancing disability inclusion in all UNICEF programs and initiatives. Happy International Day for my fellow persons with disability in Timor-Leste.
Making a very clear commitment, especially with young people, but with all people. Make sure that we can include them in all of our projects, in all of the work that we do, and that we listen. We don't just include, but we listen and we make sure that their participation is one of value and quality.